Look at me here. Look at me. Look at me. We see your OOTD. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Smile. Punta kami kay Ate Nicole's school. Okay. Oh, it's windy today. See Trike? Can you call Trike? Say Trike. Trike. Say Trike. Look at me here, Nak. Yan na. Like this. Like this. Oh, sa ate anak. Bago yata si ate, nakatulog na. Lumabas na kayo sa tinikol mo, anak. All the way down there na. Hindi ko dinala yung stroller.
Gusta? Sabi ko daw.
Oh, careful na, careful. Saan kaya si ate mo, anak? Nabasa na ng mga estudyante. Kaya pa kami sa third floor. May bata akong dala. Ano ba yan siya? At wala naman kayo escalator. Elevator pala. Knock, knock this way. Where you go? Ang cute ang dress niya. Oy, where you go, anak? This way. Yana, this way, nak. Yana, mommy here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, this way. Uy. Wala tayong Jollibee? Oo. Matulog na. Pag inaantok mo yung bata. We're almost there na. We're almost there. Huwag na nga lang ikaw na. Hirapan na ako na. Oh, come on, come on. Okay, masaya na naman siya. Marami siya nakikitang colorful. Oh, careful. We're at SM. Wow, it's colorful, anak. Uy.
New Year. Ano, 17 pa naman.
Kasama na rin yan. Oh, careful na. Ha? Ha?
Pwede ba natin tingnan yung red ribbon? Yung cake?
Hmm. Ba't sa'yo pagbigyan mo?
Yung I think size 2.8 daw.
Si Madam. Come here. Balloon? Where? You don't want bear? Say hello. Say hi to bear. Hi, bear. No. Huwag mo natakot. Lapit mo ko na. Natakot na. Natakot. Ay, naku. Natakot na, natakot. Natakot. Sorry, baby. It's okay. It's a bear, anak. Look at them. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, let's go. I-push mo na. Natakot na. Okay, let's go. Takot na tuloy.
Ano ko, bus?
Oh. Hindi ka pa nagsawa sa Jollibee?
Hindi mo gusto niya mag-Jollibee party. Nagtakot man siya sa mascot.
Saka na lang sa pag marunong na siya mag-appreciate ng bagay-bagay. Ngayon, hindi niya pa ma-appreciate. Come on, which one you like? Dali na. Oh. No, touching that one. Huh? Is that what you like, anak? Ayan, let me see. Is that what you like? Ay, my goodness, how much is this one, anak? Let me see. How much is this for? Let me check the price. Oh, there's no price. Where did you get this from? 129? Is ito? Saan niya ba ito kinuha? Ay, you want that one? Okay, that's better. I think... Which one you like? There's no price, anak. Where did you get this from? Huh? Let me see. Come here. Ay, where are you? Saan niya ito kinuha, Kon? Where did you get this from, anak? Nahulog na. Okay, you want this one? Let me see how much. You have to, consider the price. Ano ba ito? Wala mga presyo, anak. Wala mga presyo. Ito yun eh. Wala namang price. $4.99. Oh, it's 40. Yan. Huh? You want that one? I thought you like this one. Ang gulo mo naman, anak. Ang dami kasi nakikita niya kaya naguguluhan siya. You want the pig? Wala naman siya. Bata nga naman. Yes, anak. Oh my. No, not this time. Not this time. When you get older. Yeah, when you get older, mama can buy that one, okay? Not now. You want this one now? We'll pay. Let's go and pay. Come on na. Ati's hungry now. Come on, let's pay. Oh, take this one. Hold it. Yan na. Gusto na naman kumain ng isa. Dito kami kakain, sumuniko. Sira talaga yung diet natin ito. Imbis magda-diet tayo. International cuisine. Oh. Ano pang mayroon dyan? International cuisine. Eat and drink all you can. Wow. Parang maganda dyan. Ay, no. We have to wait, ate. Be good, anak, okay? Be good. Imbes doon kami sa kabila kakain, hindi kami makakain. Kaya ayaw man pumasok ng batang ito. Papasaway. Ang ending, Jollibee tuloy tayo. Happy na ang bata. Yay! You're eating the mushroom, anak. Good job, anak. Ate doesn't like the mushroom. Oh, come eat na eat. You have this one too. Mama will have burger only. No, you have to finish that one first before the spaghetti. Oh, this is mine. Okay, this is mine. My spoon. Eat na eat. Ang ending namin, ito pala yung ending namin. Babe, she wants something, babe. Look at her. She's crying. She wants to buy some toy. Okay, let's go there. Pick one only, okay? Don't cry now. Stop crying. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's pick one. Okay? Say, ask permission to daddy. Say, daddy, can I buy a toy? Only one. She likes some piano. Okay, we will buy your piano. Come here. Okay. You choose one only toy, huh? One toy only, then that's enough. Okay? You will buy the piano or the teddy bear. Okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go to Blue Magic. She wants from there. Blue Magic, right? Okay, go inside. Oh, come, let's go na.